Hey Joshua, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, it's a cool mix right here, and basically what this is some locks that you can use to lock stuff, whether you guys want to use it in the gym, you guys want to use it at home. You can definitely use this in many different ways. If you guys can see, it's by a brand called Master Lock. And this is basically what the product looks like. If you guys can see, it comes in a pack of 3 of these. There's some of them that are bulkier and some of them are thinner. The one that we got right here is like a thinner version right here, but it definitely has that wall protection and strong build on the actual product right here. And for the one that we got right here is a key option. If you can see the bottom, so they do provide a key that you want to use to open up each one of these. And if you can see on the material right here is a high quality stainless steel material that they use on here, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like and how to use it. Alright, so here's the first one, here's the second one, and here is the third one. So they basically provide guys 3 of these locks and 2 of these keys to open it. So if these 2 keys are not enough, you guys can definitely make your own keys. So literally all you guys need to do is just go like this, put in the bottom part here, and just open it up. And you see it opens. Here is number 2. Alright, so you need the same key. And then for the last one right here. Alright. And if you guys want to use the other key, you can definitely do that as well. So you can see all 3 of these locks definitely does work and it is high quality. And also another thing that I should mention about the product is the fact that they make it much stronger. So if someone tried to like cut it, it actually has a stronger cut resistant on here, but it's not cut proof. So that's definitely something to remember as well. If I go like this, you can definitely hear that strong stainless steel material that they use on here. So the cool thing about this product is the fact that it's weather resistant. So if you guys do plan on using this outdoor and if it rains, you don't have to worry about it. Or if you guys want to lock like a gate or a fence or something, you can definitely use this in that situation as well. But overall, you can definitely feel that it is a high quality lock when you guys use the product, which is definitely pretty cool. And it's so easy to use it. Literally all you can do is just bring a key with you guys everywhere and unlock it. If you guys don't like using like a key option, they do have like combination option as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. Whether you guys want like a combination option or a key option. At the end of the day, it depends on what you guys want. But that is everything that's on the product. Now that we're unboxing and testing on the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. And especially if you guys have like bad memories and you guys don't want to remember the combination for the locks. You can definitely use one of these key locks so you don't have to remember like the combination and everything. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.